Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into an exciting evolution in electric off-road performance, the 2026 KTM Freeride EXC. Built for thrill seekers who want power without the noise, this latest Freeride pushes electric dirt biking further into the mainstream. KTM has refined its formula to deliver a machine that's lighter, smarter, and more capable than ever. Let's break down what makes this new model stand out. Design and build. The 2026 Freeride EXC keeps its signature lightweight frame but introduces sharper styling and improved ergonomics. The bodywork is slimmer, allowing better rider control and movement on tight trails. KTM has updated the graphics for a more aggressive, modern look, while reinforcing key structural components to enhance durability. The overall design remains purpose-built for off-road riding, blending minimalism with rugged practicality. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 model is an upgraded electric motor that delivers smoother torque and stronger low-end response. Power delivery feels more natural, making it easier to handle technical terrain. KTM has improved battery efficiency, offering longer ride times and quicker charging capabilities. Riders can switch between multiple ride modes to balance performance and range, while the near-silent operation continues to be a huge advantage for trail access and urban riding alike. Technology features. The Freeride EXC embraces modern tech with an updated control interface that gives riders better insight into battery levels, ride modes, and system diagnostics. KTM has enhanced thermal management for more consistent performance under demanding conditions. The bike also features improved regenerative braking, helping extend range while maintaining control on descents. Suspension components have been refined for better responsiveness, making the ride feel planted and confident. Overall thoughts. The 2026 KTM Freeride EXC represents a strong step forward in electric off-road bikes. It's agile, efficient, and packed with thoughtful upgrades that make it more versatile than ever. Whether you're tackling tight trails or just enjoying a quiet ride through nature, this bike proves that electric performance can be just as exciting as traditional machines. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and the latest in automotive and power sports innovation.